Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'll be discussing with you a very important question a friend of mine asked me. Should we be moisturizing at nighttime? And my answer is a big yes. I'm 41 years old, and as we grow older, as we age, we're actually losing our skin elasticity and we're losing our collagen as well. So in order for us to maintain healthy, good looking, and young looking, of course we need to eat healthy food, we need to exercise, and of course moisturize our skin in the morning and at night as well. So today I'll be sharing with you my new product. I got this from Japan, and this is really good product, so I'm gonna show you to unbox it and how I'm gonna use it. Okay, here we go. I just bought a new skincare product, and as you know, this season is actually summertime here in LA, and I just got a new skincare product from Japan. I actually bought this from Japan back last year, and this is going to be my skincare for this summer here in LA. So I actually get a Elixir. It's actually a Shiseido product. This is it. It's Elixir. I got this for $9,300. I'm sorry, 9,300 yen. That's equivalent to 86 to $87 US dollars. So it's actually not bad to get a whole set. This is an anti-aging emulsion lotion and moisturizer, and also a pack for a night cream. So we are gonna start using this summer, and I can't wait to open it. So I'm gonna share this guys with you and see what's gonna happen. It looks like it's really good product, because the way the product is, look at it. It's actually like a lotion. It's not like a liquid type kind of thing, like, like a toner type thing, but this is actually a lotion. So this is Elixir. Hold on, it's not showing clearly, but I hope you guys are seeing it. It is the Skincare Age Lifting Moisture Lotion 2. So I'm gonna use this for the summer. This is the first step actually, and then I got another one. So the other one is actually a lotion type. So after you use the first emulsion lotion, you just dump a little on it. I'll show you how to do it later on, but I'm going to show you first what are the products inside of this this Elixir. Okay, set beauty products. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is get your lifting moisture emulsion. That's what it is. Okay, lifting emulsion. All right, so let's open it. Make sure you shake it first, and so you can see the consistency of the lotion inside, which will moisturize your skin, because this one is actually for lifting moisture. So the consistency of it would be this. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so it is not loose water or liquid, but it is actually a lotion type thing that you can use later on, but I can't use it for now because I want to show you one by one how does it work and what's the next step to do. Okay, so normally I use this for after shower. That's why I still have my towel on actually. And then at nighttime you do have another set of Elixir sleeping gel pack. So this is actually good for lifting too, especially at night. So here, okay, so Elixir Emulsion. Hope you guys are seeing it, right? So that it is. Let me show you how to do it. So we're gonna pause for a while and make sure let me wash my hands first. Okay, use the products. We're going to use this one first. This is like a toner, but then again it is a lotion type, so it's kind of thick texture. So we're going to start using this one. Okay, so again, you shake it first, make sure you wash your hands. Okay, I use this every night and day, so you just damp a little in your hand, just like that. Are you guys seeing it? I'm sorry. So just like that. Oops, hold on. And you do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so make sure you spread it all. Okay, let me add a little. Okay, that's it. Okay, so make sure you do this. 1, 2, not so, do not press it too hard, just light. Make sure you're actually spreading it all over your eyes like that, and your forehead as well, and make sure you put some also on your neck. Okay, so the way you use this, because this is a lifting emulsion anti-aging, this is actually gonna moisturize your face, because this the consistency of this one and the products inside or the ingredients has collagen too. So when you do that, make sure you do the lifting here and there, and you moisturize it. Okay. Okay. And then next thing would be just leave it for like a second, and then next use this. This is gonna be the moisturizer. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it or read it, but I'll just take a photo later, and then I'll attach it to this YouTube. Okay. But yeah, this is the next step. This would be the lotion, like a moisturizer. Okay, so again, just damp a little. Ooh, sorry. Just like that. Okay, and then press, put it. Okay, and then spread it. It's really smooth and kind of thick, so you can feel it from your face. Okay, so again, to lift. Don't forget to put it all over your face. Okay, and then just get a little for your neck. Okay, because you have to include your neck all the time. Okay, so you do that. Do the lifting. Okay, and then at night time, normally I use it at night, but I want to show you the other product, which is the sleeping gel pack. This is it. Okay, Elixir, like that. Okay, I want to show you. Again, this is how it looks from the inside. So, okay, and we're gonna start using this one. It actually comes with a like a spoon, but I couldn't find it. It comes like with a little spatula that you can use. So instead of you like dumping your finger on it, you can, I couldn't find it, I'm sorry. Instead of you dumping your finger on it, you can actually use the spatula that comes with it. But since I couldn't find it, I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so it's this liquidy, no, like a gel, and you just get a little. Okay, my hands are clean, so it's okay. And I put alcohol as well. So you do this, 1, 2, 3, 4. I put some on my eye, under my eye. Okay, and then on my here. So do massage your face on a circular motion. Okay, all over your face, on your forehead, around your eyes, on your nose. Make sure you do a circular motion, but do not press it too hard. On your chin, on your neck, under your chin, and you do lifting like this. You know, we all want to be beautiful in the morning when we wake up. So, you know, you need to always make sure to use a moisturizer at night and in the morning. So make sure you massage your face. Continue just massaging your faces like that. Okay, and then later on, you know, you're gonna feel really soft. You're gonna have a supple skin. So just continue for like 5 minutes like that. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions about this product, let me know. And I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you can be informed every time I have new products or any videos that I'll be posting in. And be safe, everyone. Enjoy your day, and God bless you.